Hello everyone, welcome back. For those of you listening for the very first time, I'm Pavan. I'm super excited with regards to this video because this is my first collaboration, and what better than introducing you to Hasan, founder of H Educate, and talk about his inspiring entrepreneurial journey. I'm sure many of you out here have already seen some of his videos on high value content related to digital marketing and online businesses. If you haven't, do check them out. And for those of you who have already seen his videos, do comment below which ones have you seen and what really you liked about them. The main aim of this video is to give you that inspiration and most importantly the learnings and journey about Hasan, which can also inspire you the way it has inspired me in the last 1.5 months. I've really used some of his techniques to improve my own online presence, and I hope this can also do for you.
So like in 2013, I was working in a company as a network administrator. By the way, my background is computer science. I'm a programmer and mainly I do some server stuff, network stuff, and so on, okay? So I was working as an employee in a company as a network administrator, and I thought about changing my life, about going online and doing something online. So I started developing an application, a software, and I want to sell it online. So I did that. Like I spent like 1 year developing the application. It's a small application about compressing and optimizing files and so on. Anyway, so I published the application online on my website. I developed the website, I published it, but the main problem is nobody knows about the website. Only me knows about the website. So I have no traffic. I didn't know anything about digital marketing, how we promote, how this stuff works, and so on. So at that point, I started thinking on how I can promote my website, how I can get traffic, how I can get visitors, and so on. So at that moment, I started searching about digital marketing, reading online, taking courses on Udemy and outside Udemy, and so on. Anyway, like from 2014 to 2016, it was about research and testing only. I didn't do anything online. And in 2016, I was in the class in my university, and my professor talked about Udemy and being an instructor online. So somehow he inspired me in teaching something online. So I went back home and I thought about a topic I can teach. So what I know is about programming, languages, security, networks, and so on, technical stuff. So I really created a course. I opened PowerPoint, I wrote designed some slides and recorded it. I wrote the script and so on. And I created a course like 1 hour about securing programming applications and so on, about securing the applications. So I published the course on Udemy and I was shocked. In the first 24 hours, I get like 2 sales. I was very happy. I thought it works like this. So I thought like in the first month, I will make like $500 maybe doing nothing, just sitting at home, like passive income. But it was not like that. So I didn't get any sales after that day. So the first month, I remember it was like $70 revenue on Udemy. It's nothing, it's nothing. So I thought about creating more courses. So I said, if I create like 2 or 3 or 5 courses and each one gives me like $100 per month, it's good. Let's try it.
Yeah.
So I did that. I created like 3 or 4 courses, and to sum up, one of the courses like bumped up on Udemy. So there was no competitors in this topic. By chance, really by chance. I didn't do a competitor research or I didn't do anything. By chance, this topic was unique on Udemy. So I got a lot of sales on this course because it's unique and Udemy promoted it. So this gives me some motivation and give me that push to create more courses, more content, and to start and do more work online. Okay, so that's the main point in my journey online. It's about starting on Udemy mainly. Then I wanted to scale up my business and create more courses, but it was about promoting outside Udemy. The main problem that instructors on Udemy face is they publish the course and they forget about it. So this is really very important. You have to think always as a freelancer, as an instructor, anything working online, you have to rely on your own marketing also. You have to grow outside the platforms. So as a freelancer on Fiverr, as an example, you publish your gigs, you may get some clients, you may not. You must focus on growing outside Fiverr. So create your portfolio, do some private freelancing tasks, create your website, go to Quora, social media, and so on. So growing outside the platform is one key point to being successful in freelancing or on Udemy. So this is what made me create a YouTube channel mainly, is to promote my Udemy courses. This was the main point here. So I create tutorials related to my courses. So in this way, I can promote my courses and grow outside Udemy and build my own audience. And I published content like, I started on my channel, I published like 2 or 3 videos, but I didn't have a plan for my content. So, and at that day, I didn't have that knowledge or much topics to talk about. So this also made me go and take a lot of courses, read a lot of articles and research about topics I can do videos about. So at that point, I started like watching a lot of videos or taking a lot of courses about a certain topic. Then I create like 4 or 5 videos about it. So I sum up them and create a video about it. In a way, I think it's simpler than the course, in a simple way. Then I wanted to move next and start creating case studies. So I thought about testing things and showing what I am testing to people. I think this way I can help them more, so they can see my mistakes and see what I succeeded, so they can clone my success in a way. This is where I started testing like Facebook ads. I remember like 3 years ago, I spent like $10,000 on Facebook ads testing, and I think I lost them all. But I'm not sad about that. It's experience. You are learning here.
Yeah.
So this is why today in 2020, I'm starting a Facebook course, by the way. I started like 2 or 3 weeks ago publishing about Facebook ads after 3 or 4 years of learning it. So I always make sure to learn something, test it, and see if it really works, then I publish this content. I think this is the key of my uniqueness on my channel. I don't publish something that I didn't test. This is mainly the main key here. So if you maybe check my affiliate marketing videos, it's all about something I did. I tested it like for 1 month or 2 months. I did this campaign, and you can just see what I did and clone the idea in your own system or your own business. This is the idea of my channel or my content uniqueness. So this is how I started. It was from developing a small application to sell it. I was shocked with no visitors. Then I started my digital marketing training and research about this stuff. And this today in 2020, thanks God I have a successful business online.
I hope the discussion with Hasan has inspired you a tad bit, and most importantly has introduced you to the world of Hasan and H Educate. So do check it out. Meanwhile, do not forget to check out our second video of this 2-part series, wherein we talk about his future plans. Every video of his is very inspiring, very simple and detailed. It can really help many of you see the way you can improve your own digital marketing and online presence. Meanwhile, do not forget to consider subscribing to both our channels, and do not forget to give that big fat like button to both of us. Meanwhile, take care and see you all soon in the very next video.